Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the headset and charger so charging works reliably. First, turn the headset off to reduce current draw and avoid pairing interruptions. Next, identify the cable and adapter type, USB-C, micro USB, or a proprietary pin, and choose the correct rated adapter. Mismatched voltage can slow or harm the battery. Once done, inspect and lightly clean contacts, then plug the cable into the headset or case until it seats. You should feel it click or snugly fit. You now monitor the charging process and optimize conditions. Pay attention to LEDs or on-device icons. Red or amber typically means charging, while green or blue signals near or full charge. Some devices show % in an app. Make sure the headset charges at normal room temperature, roughly 10 to 30 degrees Celsius, because extremes slow chemistry. Also use the original or certified adapter to maintain correct voltage and current. If fast charging isn't explicitly supported, stick to standard charging to prolong battery lifespan. You complete charging and verify readiness while addressing common issues. Once LEDs show full or the app reads 100%, unplug the headset, let it sit a minute to cool, and then power on to confirm runtime. Make sure firmware is current because battery management updates fix reporting errors. Recalibrate by fully charging then fully discharging once in a few cycles if readings drift. If charging fails, try a different cable or adapter. Clean contacts again, and if that fails, power cycle the headset. These steps fix most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.